Everybody, I've got a bit of a change here from the usual. Rather than the Artful subscription box, Kevin has found an old Scrawlrbox. So there aren't very many art boxes that we can find, that art subscription boxes that we can find in the UK. Lots of crafty boxes, but art specific is kind of trickier. So this is the other main one that we can find. I think there are probably some on Etsy and things like that that are a bit more sort of niche. But anyway, so this is the first one I've had, and it's January's, and I haven't looked it up, and I haven't like spoiled it for myself, and I won't spoil it for anyone else obviously because I haven't done it. And I haven't even opened this one, so you can covers up. So you can see I haven't even opened this one. Okay, this is just one little rip and you're into your art supplies. So this one's a monthly box rather than a quarterly box. So Artful is a quarterly box, this is a monthly box. I think it works out about £15 a month or something like that. Obviously this costs a little bit more because it's not part of the subscription, so you don't, it's a separate box and you can buy each box separately if they've still got stock of them. So anyway, I'm going to open this one. You can see it's got a little poo emoji on top. No, it's not a poo emoji, it's just a little try and pull thing. Right. Oh. Okay. Put that off. Flip it over. Right, let's have a look. Okay, so similar to the Artful box in that it has a little scrawler challenge. So it's like create something with only the items inside this box, share the results. Scrawlrbox subscription art supplies. So you've got a little package of something there. You've got January 2021 zine. So they've got a little magazine there. I'll spoil it for myself there by looking at that. The little art print. Now this is something you don't get in the Artful box. Well, not in every box anyway. So you get different ones and different ones. This Chris Lambert possibly. Instagram Doodle Crease, Twitter Doodle Crease. That's quite cute. What's this? And a little Clairefontaine little notebook, little white notebook. Okay, so right, so you got the little notebook. So as you can see, it's significantly smaller than the Artful box, but as I say, this is a monthly one rather than a quarterly one, so you wouldn't quite expect as much stuff. You'd expect sort of, unless you're paying a lot of money. And as I say, this is about £15 a month, so it's about the same as I don't know, a film subscription or something. Right, so what goodies do we have in this little package here? It's got a little cute little sticker on it, which looks like the outside of the box. And obviously their thing is the little square. Oh my gosh, I kind of wanted to save the sticker because I quite like stickers, but that's just me. Oh, we have Sweeties, always the best thing of anything. So this one is Scrawlrbox January Scrawlrbox January. They're selected especially for us by the founder and doodle addict. We're featuring his artwork. Alright, so the artwork that the guy did, that he's the founder of this box. So what we have, ooh, that's nice. We have a special Blackwing. Now if you know anything about pencils, you know that the Blackwing is a legendary pencil. So that's really nice. And you've got that little special eraser. Can you see? Instead of having like a little round eraser, you've got like a little sort of rectangular, trying to get it into focus, it's sort of rectangular-y. So it's a little bit more directional. So I'll have to get I'll have to try that one out. What else have you got? You've got, weirdly enough, ironically enough, if you saw my Artful box, you'll know that it was, you'll know why this is ironic. I would suggest I will probably put it in the end bit, but if I forget, have a look at my last Artful one. So we have two Tombow ABT Pro alcohol based. These ones are alcohol based for sniffing. No, don't sniff these. Don't do that. That's bad. Professional quality markers. So you got dual tip markers. You got nice chisel tip on one end and a brush tip on the other end. So that'd be quite fun to play with. And you got that in blue. So basically you got the colours you got here. So you got the blue, the grey, and the sagey green. Do they have the numbers on, or just the? Yeah, so they've just got the numbers on rather than actual names of colours. So sagey green, sad blue, and medium grey. I'm going to call those because blue's nice but sad. And then you've got a Kuretake Zig Millennium. Little fine liner, 0.3 fine liner, as you know if you've seen any of my other videos. If not, I suggest you go and check them out. I have a few fine liners, so this is what you get in your box. So the art card is nice. I think that's a nice little touch. Obviously Tombow pens are quite expensive. The Blackwing, as I say, a legendary pencil, and therefore, you know, the fact that it's a special edition, so you can only get these ones in the Scrawlrbox. They've got a little like that makes that special. And then you get your sweeties, and you got your little Fairfontaine paper. So let's find out a little bit more about this, because I think, yeah, the A5 comic book A5. So this one is a A5 12 sheets of premium, high acid free, exceptionally smooth and high quality paper, offering delightful luxurious drawing, writing, colouring and sketching experience. You can use both sides of these paper sheets as they will not bleed through, making the sketch with perfect pairing with alcohol based markers. Fill it with doodles. Yep. Okay. So in very small writing it has the RRP of these on there. So these ones are £4.50 each, which makes them worth, you know, worth getting. That is £2.50's worth of pencil, which is fair. That is £2.69. Sorry, I lie. £2.96. That was Freudian, wasn't it? And this is £5's worth. No, what, £4.99's worth. So yeah, that's cute. So for your £15, you're getting about twice that in materials. Is it twice that? 5, 10, 15, 25, 30. Okay, so yeah, it's about twice that in materials and stuff. £4.50 each. If you can, you know, and then you've got your zine that tells you a bit more about what you get, and it gives you some scrawler tips and things to try. Yeah, I do like that. The pencil, I must admit, I'm impressed with that. Which is a weird thing to be impressed by, but I like pencils. Drawing pencils particularly. And you've got your sweeties. Chocomint Praline, which I've never heard of that. This is a new type of sweet to me. Feels probably a bit like an eclair. And a refresher, which I don't really like the chewy ones. I like proper refreshers. Does that make me sad? Probably. Yeah, so what I'll do is, after I've done dinner, I shall do a little bit of this. Right, so this one's obviously for doodling, so we're going to do a little doodle. Anyway, that was an interesting thing, and it's nice to do something a bit different. I might get another one of these in the future. As I say, definitely getting your money's worth there. Probably not as sexy as the Artful box, but if you want something that's like very, very regular, you know, I think that this is possibly the one you'll get. Or if you want to try lots of little things in very quick succession, I think that's also quite good. One of the things I have a problem with the Artful box about is that it does take so long to come. I'm like yearning for the next one to come along. So it's very much a personal preference thing. Yeah, it's cute. It's cute. I'm not unimpressed. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Take care.